This bedroom doesn't look bad. In fact, most people would leave it exactly like this, but it also doesn't say anything, and that's the problem. Today, I'll show you how a few small design moves, not a full redesign, can completely change how a room feels. Hi, I'm Sasha from homedesigns.ai, and in this video, we're starting from a real bedroom and improving it step by step. This is a real bedroom with a layout that already works. There's no obvious mistake here, but the space lacks direction. It feels generic instead of designed. The goal here today is simple, so make minimal changes that create maximum visual payoff. This is actually a great base image, which makes it easy to see the real issue. Nothing is pulling your attention. Before making any changes, I want direction, not guesses. So I start by running the image through the design critique tool, and I'm selecting the interior. The feedback highlights what's missing. So here are a few key takeaways. The bed lacks a strong focal presence, the wall feels underutilized, and the color palette is too limited. So instead of replacing everything, we strengthen the core. In a bedroom, the bed sets the tone, and right now it fades into the background. So let's use the Magic Redesign tool to just make the bed. This will make the room look instantly cleaner. So this is the prompt I'm using. Same placement, same layout, just the bed has been made. This one change immediately shifts how the room reads. Next, the walls, they're clean but visually empty. So let's make one focused decision. Using Precision Plus, I add subtle vertical wood accents behind the bed. I'm selecting the wall with the automatic selection, and I'm using this prompt right here in the additional instructions. You can play around with the level of AI intervention and see which design you prefer, because it'll give you different design options every time. I'm going ahead with this one. So this introduces texture and warmth without adding any clutter. It gives the bed a clear zone, small surface change, big visual effect. To keep everything cohesive, let's refine the color tone. Same procedure as we did in the Precision Plus tool. I'm highlighting the wall, then I'm selecting a warm color. Let's go for this one. This works perfectly at warming the wall color. Now we enhance. So the space beside the bed feels unused, so I added floated shelves using fill spaces, light, minimal, and functional. The chair is next. It doesn't align with the new mood, so I swap it for a softer Scandinavian style chair using the Magic Redesign tool. And finally, the curtains. They're heavy and visually dominant. I replace them with a plainer and simple ones with the Precision Plus tool to open the room up. Next, I want to add this particular plant. I'm going to be using the Room Composer tool for this. So I'm uploading the image of my space, and then I'm uploading the image of the plant under custom elements. It also has a range of different furniture and decor elements already uploaded, but if you want to add something specific, you can upload your own custom elements, just like I did. You can position it, just make sure when you upload it, it's in the right angle. Next, choose the space type and the design style, and it will add your custom element to your space. Just look at the results. So none of these changes shout, but together they completely change the atmosphere. Here's the original space, and here's the evolved version. Same room, same footprint, just completely different energy. We can reimagine the space in different design styles using the perfect redesign mode. But because we have a window and we want the scenery to be kept the same, I'm using the redesign on the Magic Redesign tool. This ensures that the window scenery stays the same. So the key takeaways are visual impact comes from alignment, not quantity. This is how small decisions create big results. If your space feels neutral but forgettable, try this approach. Start with what already works, make a few intentional upgrades, and see how much impact you can create without starting over. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped.